Hello, welcome to Shrimpy's YouTube channel. My name is Jade, and today we will secure our Exchange accounts by enabling IP whitelisting. IP whitelisting is an added security feature that exchanges use to restrict access to Shrimpy accounts. After enabling whitelisting, our exchange will only accept requests from the IP addresses that we've provided, IP addresses which represent Shrimpy servers. This prevents unauthorized access to our Exchange account from any other IP. It is recommended to whitelist all API keys. To begin, go to Settings, and then Security and API. Select Get IP Addresses under the IP whitelist. We need to add all 4 of these IP addresses to our API keys for the Exchange. If we are linking a Binance Exchange account, we should use the Binance IP whitelist instead. On the Exchange, go to API Management and find our Shrimpy API keys. Select Edit and then complete the verification steps. Select Yes under IP Restriction. Now we will copy and paste the IPs from Shrimpy into the Exchange. Depending on the Exchange account, you may need to add a comma or a space after each IP address. The Exchange should instruct you how to list the IPs. After we've added all 4, select Add. Then select Confirm. We can now see the IP addresses listed under our API key. If there are multiple Exchange accounts linked to our Shrimpy account, we need to whitelist each Exchange's API keys. If you have any issues completing these steps or have any further questions, please reach out to our friendly support team at support@shrimpy.io. We are happy to help.